Hi, children. Welcome to Roy Tuition Classes. We are doing Standard 9, Chapter 8, Trigonometry. A very simple chapter, children. At the same time, very important chapter. This chapter is going to chase you throughout, if you're going to be a science student. You are going to come across trigonometry in your 11th standard. You're going to come across 11th science. You're going to come across trigonometry in your 12th standard, 12th science. Got it? And again, when you opt for engineering, okay, you're going to come across trigonometry a lot. So please try to understand what we are going to learn in Einstein, something very simple, very basic, okay? It's a very simple chapter, again, I should say. Okay, anyhow, children, we start. Now look at this. This triangle, okay, you can see here, one angle is 90 degrees. So such a triangle is called a right angle triangle. This triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. The side opposite to 90-degree angle, that is side AC. B is 90. So side AC is called a hypotenuse. Side AC is called a hypotenuse. Name of this side opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse. Are you getting me, children? अब B से जब भी hypotenuse बोलेंगे आपको समझने का that is opposite to 90-degree angle. Okay, 90-degree angle के सामने वाला side को हमेशा hypotenuse बोलते हैं. Okay, children, we got this, we understood this. Now we go ahead, one step ahead now. What I'm saying is we're going to find the ratio of the sides. We are going to find the ratio of the sides. I mean, ratio of the sides, like, please have a look here. Suppose I start with this ratio of the sides of this right angle triangle. Ratio of the sides of this right angle triangle. हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? Ratio of the sides of this right angle triangle निकालना है. Ratio का मतलब क्या है? देखो बेटा, AB upon AC. जैसा मैंने रेशियो निकाला ए बी और ए सी का, तो इसका एक आंसर ए बी अपॉन ए सी, इसको बोलते हैं रेशियो. अगर ये एक रेशियो है तो ए सी अपॉन ए बी दूसरा रेशियो हो गया. अलग अलग है, इसका आंसर अलग है, इसका आंसर अलग है, ये दोनों अलग अलग रेशियो हो गया. ओके, तो दो रेशियो हो गया. ये वैसे हम बी सी अपॉन ए सी निकाल सकते हैं. वी कैन फाइंड द रेशियो ऑफ बी सी एंड ए सी. तो देन इसका रेसिप्रोकल ए सी अपॉन बी सी निकाल सकते हैं. आर गेटिंग मी? अभी टोटली कितना रेशियो हो गया? चार रेशियो. चारों रेशियो इक्वल नहीं है, चार रेशियो अलग अलग है. ओके, अभी और एक रेशियो बच गया ए बी, और दो रेशियो बच गया. ए बी अपॉन बी सी करूंगा तो उसका उल्टा बी सी अपॉन ए बी. अभी आप ऑल द पॉसिबल रेशियो निकाल चुके हो. यू कैन नॉट फाइंड अ रेशियो मोर देन द 6 ratios. So between the sides of a right angle triangle, I can find 6 ratios. Between the sides of the right angle triangle, I can find only 6 ratios. हम लोग sides of a right angle triangle के पर कितना ratios निकाल सकते हैं? 6 ratios. 6 ratios से ज्यादा नहीं. Are you getting me, children? ये सब ratios का trigonometry में स्पेशल नेम दिया गया है. ये सब ratios का trigonometry में स्पेशल नेम दिया गया है. Okay, like what are the name? Children, please have a look here. What are the name of these ratios? Okay, so try to understand, children. The first one is sine ratio. The first one is sine ratio, S-I-N-E. The second one is cosine ratio. Second one is cosine ratio. दूसरा रेशियो क्या है? cosine ratio. तीसरा रेशियो tangent ratio. तीसरा रेशियो tangent ratio. पहला रेशियो साइन, दूसरा रेशियो कोसाइन, तीसरा रेशियो टैंजेंट. चौथा रेशियो मैं जो बोल रहा हूं कोसिकेंट. कोसिकेंट, कोसिकेंट. पांचवा रेशियो चिल्ड्रन सीकेंट, SECANT. Fifth ratio is secant. Fifth ratio is secant. And sixth ratio is cotangent. Sixth ratio is cotangent. So remember, children, totally 6 ratios. 6 ratios हम लोग निकाल सकते थे साइड्स के. तो 6 रेशियो को स्पेशल नेम दिया गया है. एक का नाम है साइन रेशियो, दूसरे का नाम है कोसाइन रेशियो, तीसरे का नाम है टैंजेंट रेशियो, चौथे का नाम है कोसिकेंट रेशियो, पांचवा सीकेंट रेशियो, 6 cotangent. All the 6 ratios. Okay, I hope people are getting me here. Sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, cotangent. देख के डर जाते हैं बच्चे, इतना नाम टफ है लगता है. लेकिन क्या करते हैं, प्लीज हैव अ लुक हियर. ये सब रेशियोज को हम लोग शॉर्ट में लिखेंगे अभी. प्लीज हैव अ लुक हियर. जैसा secant, इसके लिए प्लीज हैव अ लुक एट दिस. साइन, फर्स्ट रेशियो इज साइन. We will just write the first 3 letter SINE. But कभी sin मत बोलो, इसको साइन ही पढ़ो, इसको साइन ही पढ़ना है. SIN, साइन, sin नहीं. sin, sin, okay? इसका first three letters cos. So sin, cos. इसका first three letters tan, tan, okay? So sin, cos, tan. इसका first three letters again cos होता है, तो confusion नहीं मांगता है. इसके लिए first five letters will select cosec, cosec, okay? इसका first three letters sec. इसका first three letters cot, okay? तो अभी ये short form में ये छह का छह रेशियो sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, cotangent. What are the names? They are called sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Given the names to these ratios. So abhi se we'll be using this short forms only. We'll be using it using the short form only. So let's see here, children. Now, the first ratio, let's try to understand, okay? Those ratios I told you, children. So now I'm going to call it as sine, okay? What is the sine ratio? ये साइन रेशियो जो मैंने लिखा है, ये जो पहला रेशियो है साइन रेशियो, पहला रेशियो है साइन रेशियो. इस साइन रेशियो क्या है फॉर्मूला? Sine ratio is opposite side upon hypotenuse. Opposite side upon hypotenuse. Opposite side upon hypotenuse. Opposite side upon hypotenuse. Cos is cos is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Then children, then comes after sine cos. The next third ratio what I want to teach you is about tan ratio. Just have a look here. I'm going to rub it out, okay? The third ratio is tan ratio. Now what is tan ratio? Please have a look at this tan ratio. Very simple, children. I'm sure everybody will be able to get it. What is tan ratio? Tan ratio is opposite side upon adjacent side. 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 Opposite side upon adjacent side. Opposite side upon adjacent side. Children, you should learn by heart these three ratios, okay? Sine is opposite side upon hypotenuse. Cos is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Tan is opposite side upon adjacent side. Sine is opposite side upon adjacent side. First letter for opposite side O. Hypotenuse for first letter is H. Okay. First letter for adjacent side is A. Hypotenuse ka H. And tan, it is O first letter A. So can I say like this? I want sine cos tan. Sine cos tan is O R O A. Sine cos tan is O R O A. Sine cos tan is O R O A. Sine is O. Cos is R. Tan is O A. Sine is O. Cos is R. Tan is O. Sine is what? O upon H. O for opposite side. H for hypotenuse. Cos is what? R. Adjacent side. A for adjacent side. H for hypotenuse. Tan is OA. O for opposite side. A for adjacent side. So this song is easy to remember, children. First three ratios always sine, cos, tan. First sine, cos, then tan. And these three are O, R, O, A. O, R, O, A. Okay. Now, why only these three ratios? There's a reason for it, okay? You're saying there are six ratios, right? There are six ratios. But I'm teaching you only for these three ratios, okay? हाँ, छह ratios है, मैं सिखा रहा हूँ खाली तीन ratios के लिए. ये तीन ratios में से आप आराम से बाकी तीन ratio निकाल सकते हो. Got it? So keep in your mind. Sine is what? O. Cos is what? R. Tan is what? O. Now, the next of these ratios, like I told you, the remaining one, I can easily derive it from here. Like you want cos, okay? Can you see cos? Cos of an angle, okay? Now, sorry, cos of an angle. Sorry, I'm so sorry. The next what you want is cosec of an angle. What do you want, children? Cosec of an angle, okay? Now, what is this cosec of an angle? Just have a look here. Cosec of an angle, okay? Now, what is cosec? Third letter of this cosec is S. S से start होता है sine. S से start होता है sine. So naturally, cosec is a reciprocal of sine. It is hypotenuse upon opposite side. Hypotenuse upon opposite side. Like hypotenuse, sine is what? Opposite upon hypotenuse. Cosec will be h upon o. In the same way, children, when you look at it, next, sec of an angle. Just have a look at the sec. The third letter of sec is C. Sec का third letter C. Sec का third letter C. C से start होता है cos. C से start होता है cos. C से start होता है cos. So sec is a reciprocal of cos. H upon O. Hypotenuse upon adjacent opposite side. Hypotenuse upon opposite side. Then children, chord. Okay, now just have a look at this chord, children. Okay, this chord is chord. Okay, the third letter of chord is T, children. T से start होता है tan. T से start होता है tan. T से start होता है tan. Tan क्या? Opposite upon adjacent. तो उसका reciprocal A upon O. So remember, children, sine cos tan cosec sec cot. Sine cos tan cosec sec cot. Sine cos sine O A O. Sine cos tan O A O. Cosec, the next ratio, fourth ratio is cosec. Third letter is S. So cosec should be, from the formula point of view, left, it's a reciprocal of sine. Sine is opposite upon hypotenuse. उसका reciprocal होगा hypotenuse upon opposite. तो cosec हो गया hypotenuse upon opposite. Cosec हो गया hypotenuse upon opposite. Then sec, the third letter is C. Third letter is C. C से start होता है cos. C से start होता है cos. C से start होता है cos. Okay? और cos का adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So sec is a reciprocal of cos. It should be hypotenuse upon adjacent side. Hypotenuse upon adjacent side. Hypotenuse upon adjacent side. Hypotenuse upon adjacent side. Cot का third letter T. T से start होता है tan. Tan is, okay, opposite upon adjacent. So it should be adjacent upon opposite. Okay. So I'm sure, children, all the three ratios are clear. Sine, cos, tan, O, R, O, A. Now we'll try to understand these formulas in a little more depth. Are you getting me here, children? So let's see here. Now consider triangle ABC, right angle at B. So when you see this triangle ABC, children, right angle at B, B is 90, okay? Now look here, this angle A plus angle B plus angle, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal 180. Sum of all angles of a triangle is 180. Angle A plus 90 plus angle C equal 180. That A plus 90 उस साइड जाएगा तो क्या आएगा? Angle A plus angle C equal 180 minus 90. तो क्या आएगा? Angle A plus angle C equal 90. I mean, whenever sum of two angles is 90 degrees, whenever you see a sum of two angles is 90 degrees, children, whenever you see a sum of two angles is 90 degrees, we call them as complementary angles. What do you call them? Complementary angles. We call them as complementary angles. Got it? That means if the sum of two angles is 90, they're called complementary angles. Got it? So angle A and angle C are complementary. Therefore, angle A and angle C are complementary angles. Are you getting me here? So याद रखो, अगर एक angle A आगे theta है, angle C को theta पकड़ा, तो theta will go that side. It will become angle A equal 90 minus theta. या angle A को theta पकड़ा, तो angle C 90 minus theta. But एक बात, this acute angle, they are acute angles of a right angle triangle. These acute angles of a right angle triangle are always complementary. The acute angles of a right angle triangle are always complementary. The acute angles of a right angle triangle are always complementary. This should get into your mind, okay? Now look here, children. I'm talking with respect to these acute angles. I'm going to talk with respect to this acute angles of a right angle triangle. Like for example, if I consider any one of these angles, suppose if I consider angle C. So for angle C, let's see here, children. For angle C, बराबर देखो अभी. For angle C. Okay. Look at this AB, children. Look at this AB. Look at this AB, children. Look at this AB. Can you see I made it dark red, okay? For this angle C, this AB, got it? Yeah, in another way, please have a look here. When the name is, okay, when the name of the triangle is triangle ABC. Name of the triangle is triangle ABC. Triangle ABC, okay? So when I say angle A, so जो बाकी बच गया दो letter है ना, BC. This BC, can you see here, is called an opposite side because it's just opposite of angle C. So angle C, which is the opposite side, children? The opposite side is side BC, side AB, sorry. For angle A, the opposite side is side BC. For angle C, the opposite side, C को छोड़ के बाकी दो letter A B है, the opposite side is AB, side AB. Are you getting me, children? Now look at this, children. Please have a look here. Adjacent side. Adjacent sides are the sides containing that angle C. Now, which sides are containing angle C? Which sides are containing angle C? Got it? So, adjacent side of angle C is, just look, BC is containing angle C, AC is containing angle C. So actually both become adjacent sides. But AC is the hypotenuse. AC has been given a special name. Side opposite to 90 is called a hypotenuse. So BC becomes the adjacent side. So adjacent side of angle C is side BC. Side BC containing C. Are you getting me? It contains C. I hope people are understanding. So people should be able to identify the opposite side of the angle and the adjacent side of the angle. See, AC side opposite to 90 is called a hypotenuse. Got it? So likewise, for angle A, if I talk about angle A, children, okay, which is the opposite side of angle A? Opposite side of angle A. So triangle ABC में A को निकाल दो, बाकी दो side BC है. So BC becomes the opposite side. BC is the opposite side. BC is the opposite side, which is the adjacent side of angle A. Angle A is contained by side AB and side AC. AC is a hypotenuse. So AB, adjacent side is AB. Are you getting me, children? Here, AB, okay? AB. And what is here? Side BC. Are you getting me? Opposite side of side BC. So for an acute angle, you can easily see the opposite side and adjacent side. So let the right angle triangle be anyhow. You should be able to identify the opposite side and adjacent side, okay? Like for example, children, let me start with, for example, any right angle triangle I have got, okay? Any right angle triangle I have got, okay? Any right angle triangle, let me take triangle PQR. Triangle PQR, okay? Which is a 90-degree angle in this. When you look at it, this Q, this P is 90 and R is a, so angle R. So P is 90. So please have a look at this right angle triangle. Now look here. Angle Q and angle R are acute angles. Angle Q and angle R are acute angles. So which is the opposite side of angle R. Opposite side of angle R. So R का सामने वाला side कौन सा है बेटा? एक ही है, PQ. Are you getting me here? PQ. Everybody can see it's PQ. Okay, which is the adjacent side of angle R. Angle R is contained by two sides. Angle R is contained by hypotenuse QR and PR. So PR becomes the adjacent side. PR becomes the adjacent side. PR becomes the adjacent side. Likewise, if I say opposite angle of Q, opposite side of angle Q, opposite side of angle Q. So clearly, is Q को छोड़ के बाकी दो letter PR, side PR. Are you getting me? A side PR. Now, what is adjacent side? Adjacent side of angle Q. Adjacent side of angle Q will be the side containing angle Q. PQ and QR. QR is a hypotenuse, so naturally it should be PQ. I hope people understood me here. Now, why did I show you opposite side and adjacent side? You'll understand very soon. The formula for sine. Sine ratio is given by the formula, children. Sine ratio is given by the formula opposite side upon hypotenuse. Sine ratio is given by the formula SIN sine is given by the formula opposite side upon hypotenuse. But children, opposite side upon hypotenuse. So here the problem is, children, अरे कौन सा ऑपोजिट साइड और किसको ऑपोजिट साइड हमेशा एक एंगल को होता है साइड ऑपोजिट एन एंगल होता है ट्रायंगल में साइड ऑपोजिट एन एंगल होता है और हाइपोटेन्यूज और साइड ऑपोजिट 90 हो गया दैट मींस एक राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल में ये रेशियोज लिख सकते हैं ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल रेशियोज खाली राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल में लिख सकते हो see opposite side of some angle it has to be so either it can be angle A or angle C got it so you can in place of word sine children ये जो साइन लिखा है हमने you can write that sine of angle C or you can write that sine of angle B sine of angle ACB three letter name or if you want you can also write sine of suppose the measure of angle C is theta okay Greek letter theta sine theta क्या चलेगा तो भी now let's try to understand yeah sine theta opposite side upon hypotenuse for theta which is opposite side children AB so naturally AB upon AC AB upon AC so remember sine word ke saath either the measure of the angle should come or theta is a measure of that angle or the name of the angle should come then only I can identify the opposite side. Of course, hypotenuse I know, side opposite to 90. But that opposite side you can identify only because of the angle. So same way, children, cos theta is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Now look here, children. Adjacent side upon hypotenuse. You know, children, so easy. Hypotenuse तो किसको बोलते हैं AC को बोलते हैं साइड ऑपोजिट टू 90 ये एडजेसेंट साइड किसको बोलते हैं सो सिंपल ये थीटा का ऑपोजिट साइड AB है correct and the side containing theta is BC is the adjacent side AC is a hypotenuse so naturally it has to be BC upon AC ताकि मुझे क्या बोलना है साइन ढूंढना है तो भी आपको एंगल पता रहनी चाहिए cos ढूंढना है तो भी आपको एंगल पता रहनी चाहिए are you getting me so any of the trigonometrical ratios you want to use you should know the acute angle we are talking about so that name of that angle or measure of that angle should follow the trigonometrical ratio like sine theta here cos theta tan theta cosec theta sec theta and cot theta okay so let's try to understand children now sine theta and cos theta I told you I helped you in the same way suppose you want tan theta tan theta is opposite side upon adjacent side. Now you can see children, just now I told you, opposite word ही with respect to something है तो angle theta है, theta का opposite side क्या है इधर AB है, theta का opposite side क्या है इधर AB है, and which is a height of adjacent side BC. So naturally you know, okay. Now what is cosec theta children? Cosec theta is nothing but reciprocal of sine theta. So it has to be AC upon AB. Sec theta is nothing but reciprocal of cos theta. It should be AC upon BC. I hope people understood me here. Okay. Now tan हो गया sin, cosec हो गया, sec हो गया, cot. Cot is okay reciprocal of cot is reciprocal of tan. Tan is here BC upon AB to be adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So remember, got it? Sine cos tan cosec sec cot. Sine cos tan cosec sec cot. What is the sine, children? Sine is opposite side upon hypotenuse. What is cos, children? Adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Cos is what is tan? Opposite side upon adjacent side. What is cosec? It's a reciprocal of sine. It is hypotenuse upon opposite. What is the reciprocal? What is reciprocal of cos, children? Sec. So sec will be naturally sec of angle C will be AB upon AC. So when you look at it, children, then go ahead, children. We go to the next of the ratios, okay? For the sake of practice, children, to make you get used to the sine, cos, tan, the formulas of sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. We are just doing a sum, okay? Triangle PQR is right angled at Q, and angle R is theta. So find sine theta. Come on, what is sine theta? What is cos theta? What is tan theta? What is cosec theta? What is sec theta? And what is cot theta? So when you look at sine theta, children, sine theta is nothing but O upon H. I want sine theta. Sine theta is O upon H. Sine theta is O upon H. Sine is O. Cos is R. Tan is OA. So sine is O upon H. So O matlab opposite side. So theta ka opposite side. This is theta, children. Which is opposite side for it? Which is opposite side for it? PQ. Which is opposite side for it? PQ. And which is a hypotenuse, children. The side opposite to 90 is always called the hypotenuse. So PR is a hypotenuse, okay? Now, cos theta. Cos theta is R. Sine, cos, tan, O, R, OA. Sine is O, cos is R. Now, which is the adjacent side for angle R? See, it is angle adjacent side upon hypotenuse. PR is a hypotenuse. So QR is the adjacent side of angle theta. Okay. So it should be QR upon PR. Okay. Then children, tan is OA. Matlab opposite side. Theta ka opposite side kaun sa hai beta? PQ. Or adjacent side kaun sa hai beta? Adjacent side QR. Got it? Now, cosec of theta. Cosec is nothing but a reciprocal of sine. So it should be hypotenuse upon opposite side. It should be hypotenuse upon opposite side. Hypotenuse is PR. And what is that? PQ is opposite side. Okay. This is sec is a reciprocal of cos. So it should be hypotenuse upon adjacent side. Hypotenuse is PR, children, upon which is the adjacent side, children, QR. QR is the adjacent side of theta. Cot theta is adjacent upon opposite. Adjacent upon opposite. Reciprocal of tan. Tan is O upon A. So it should be A upon O. So what is adjacent side of theta, children? QR. And what is opposite side? PQ. Okay, children? Even the summa of adjustment, children. I hope people are getting me here. Okay. Again, one more time, we'll see this and we'll wind it up. Okay. Then we start. Last of the example, children, again in triangle XYZ, angle Y is 90, angle Z is theta. So what is sine theta, children? Sine theta is opposite side upon hypotenuse, opposite side upon hypotenuse, opposite side upon hypotenuse. So which is the opposite side, children? Opposite side is XY. And which is the hypotenuse, children? XZ. Cos theta. What is cos theta, children? Cos theta is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Which is the adjacent side, children? YZ. Which is the hypotenuse, children? XZ. Tan theta is opposite side upon adjacent side. Opposite side is XY. Adjacent side is YZ. XY upon YZ. So you can clearly see, children, sine, cos, tan, OROA. Sine, cos, tan, OROA. Then, children, when you look at it, after these three ratios, okay, we go to the fourth one. What is the fourth one, children? Cosec theta. What is cosec theta? Cosec theta is a reciprocal of sine. Should be hypotenuse upon opposite. Okay, hypotenuse upon opposite. Hypotenuse is xz and opposite is xy. So naturally, hypotenuse is xz. Okay, you can see upon xy. Then we go to the cosec theta. Okay, after cosec theta is over. Then we go to sec theta. Now, what is sec theta, children? Sec theta is opposite of reciprocal of cos. It should be hypotenuse upon opposite, adjacent. Hypotenuse upon adjacent. Hypotenuse is xz and adjacent is yz. Xz upon yz. Then the sixth one, cot theta is, please have a look here, adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So naturally, yz upon xy. Okay. So I hope everybody understood me here. So the last time I say sine, cos, tan, OROA. Sine, cos, tan, OROA. So after this, we start in the next lecture, the exercises. I hope everybody has understood it, okay? Because there are some more theories which you should know. But this is what is required for solving exercise 6.1. So I think I've given you that. And next lecture, 6.1 will start. Okay, children? See you all. Bye till then.